Hello guys, and welcome to today's video session. What I have for you today is something very fine, something very beautiful. You're going to find it very interesting. Now this is something I'm actually doing myself, and a lot of people, over 50 persons right now, over I think about 65 or so people like you Nigerians are actually using this method I'm going to share with you inside this free book. They're actually using it to make a whole lot of money every single day. Yeah. And actually how it works is very simple. I'm going to get into that shortly. All it works is very simple. You just need to use the money in your bank. You fund it to a website or to a platform, and then you convert it to a currency on that platform. And then once you convert it to a currency on that platform, you convert it back to Naira on that same platform. Once you convert it, in that process you make tangible profit, you make good profit converting your deposits on that platform. And once you convert it in minutes, in a second, you also place your withdrawal instantly in one click. So you're actually withdrawing your deposits and your profit all together, and it goes straight to your bank account. So that's what I want to share with you today. My name is John Anaviolori. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click on the red button and subscribe to my channel. Follow me, click on the notification bell so you get my future update. I share lots of value on my channel, so you don't want to miss out. If you okay, I can drop a link to my channel videos, so you can actually go there and skim through, and then just scroll down. You see, you're going to see a ton of videos, of value content videos, especially if you intend to make money on Word Plus, making money online, email marketing, affiliate marketing, product launching, product creation. You can get them loads of videos that are going to walk you step by step right on this channel. So go to the video sections. I'm going to leave a link right there. Just go there, you see a link, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can go through that link and then you get access to all my videos, and you can actually select randomly on which one you want to watch, and you actually get value on whichever video you want to watch. So going ahead, you can also there's a link right under the description as well to contact me on Facebook. After this video, if you have any question for me, you want one or two things, and you don't want to comment under the comment section right here on YouTube, you can actually search for me or click on the link to direct you to my profile on Facebook, John Anaviolori. So you're going to contact me right on Facebook, and then we can connect together, share ideas, and rub minds together, and then I can even answer your questions as soon as I see it. So that's all about that. So let's go in now to what I have for you today, how you can get access to my free book and what the free book is all about. It's completely free. You're not paying anything. Just click on the link under this description. You see the first link there. Go here to download. So you download this free book I'm about to review for you right now. So yeah, so this is just what the book is all about. It's actually a fresh, hot and new method, a strategy. It's a groundbreaking one. It's never seen. No one is doing it. One of my friends reviewed this, which is Telewa Hadibayo. As you can see, I co-launched this stuff with him, and the guy has been making a lot of sales on this product, and he has been giving out how this strategy works to people, and a lot of people have been jumping in and getting it. So I actually wrote a review because I wanted to show you my audience, my subscribers, my list followers, my friends on Facebook, everywhere. And a lot of people have actually been saying, wow, this is wonderful, this is excellent, and they've been getting in. So I said, okay, no, my subscribers on Facebook need to see this. So I decided to make a review just for you guys, so you can go ahead and check it out. Yes, check it out. Just download it. If you're a Nigerian, you have a little balance in your account, in your Naira accounts, then you can actually go ahead and then click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you right here to this page to download the ebook here. See, this is the page right here. So you come over here to download the book. It's how to turn your cash in the bank to instant profit in 60 seconds, 100% guaranteed. So that's 100% guaranteed. You learn how you can turn your cash sitting in the bank to instant profit in 60 seconds. No selling, no marketing, no referrals, and there is no paid ads. You're going to discover exact secret that we are using, and 65 plus other persons are also using to bank instant profit to bank. It's very simple. If you have any money in your bank right now and it's just sitting out there maybe for a week, for a month, you can use it and make instant profit. You are not selling anything, no marketing, no difficult thing. You are not investing actually, because the money you put in, you get it back with your profits, and you are not running any advertising or paid advertisement. No, it's very simple, straightforward, one click, fund, withdraw, profits, and then you fund, you convert, and then you profit, and then you withdraw your earnings. Everything, this whole process takes less than a minute, and you get into profit. So that's what I have for you. You can see here is some proof for you. So let me see if I can. Okay, here's some proof for you. You can see members, ESC one is just a kind of renaming of the members, so you can see, and you can see me inside the group right here. This is John, so you can see over a lot of people are inside here already. So you can see here is one of the testimonials right here. Someone said, I prefer Zenith Bank for withdrawals, it's faster. Yes, you are right, you can see. And then someone says, I've gotten my money sharply. So but you can just open a standard chartered account. So actually, people actually help one another inside this group. We guide one another on how to actually make more and then get our money fast, very fast. Even though you get your money in minutes, but people want it instantly, so they can always repeat the process over and over and over again. So this is a nice screenshot I got right here, which says finally it has dropped. This is another person saying the money has dropped, the profit has dropped. Sure guys, I jubilate for you, so whatever. So this is something you can actually go ahead, and yes, it's actually free, so you can actually download the book and check it out for free. Just enter your name right here, enter your email, and then click on download, and then it's going to direct you to where you're going to get and then download the book for free. It's something that's very simple, and you can be sure anything I recommend for you guys, especially if you've been my subscriber, you know it's something that's high value, pure value, and it's not something that's going to mislead you or waste your time. No, I've been doing marketing for years, over years, and I actually, bring out top quality products, or when I promote products, I actually make sure it's something of value. It's going to add value to you, and I always go at all length to give support here. So that's what I'm even saying. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Ask, and I'm going to reply you. Or if you cannot ask on YouTube, you can contact me on Facebook right here. Yes, contact me on Facebook right here. There's a link right to contact me on Facebook. Contact me on Facebook right here. And I'm going to, we're going to connect together, and then you can ask me questions. So you can see one thing again is, if you connect with me on Facebook, you can be the first set of persons to get access to stuffs I bring out. So you can see, I actually share this book on my Facebook, and you can see I'm actually tired of replying people. I'm not used to this kind of stuff. I can see a lot of people, over 85 comments already, and then maybe by tomorrow I'm going to start giving them free access. They're getting free access, free copy of this book. So you can go ahead and then connect with me on Facebook. Let's be friends on Facebook. Yes, I love meeting new people all the time, because I know there's a lot of things to learn. Even though I have a lot of experience in many things, I still want to learn from you too. So let's connect on Facebook. Let me know what they help to, and let's see how we can help one another. So don't forget, there's a link under the description to go and download this book. I don't want you to miss it. Just download and check it out. Yes, download it and check it out. It's something that you need if you're a Nigerian and you have a Naira account, you have a BVN, then this is what you need. Please don't miss out this opportunity, especially if you've been my subscriber. Yes, make sure you get this ebook. It's free. Check it out. Check it out. Pick it up and check it out. And then if you have any questions, ask me any questions. I will answer you. That's what I don't have any other business I do offline. I do online 24/7. So you can always make sure, you can always be sure to get my feedback. So I don't think there's any other thing else to say. So just go ahead. There's a link under this video. Click on that link, and then you get access to directed to this page right here to pick up, to download. You just enter your name right here and your email, your first name and your email address, and then click on the download button. It's going to direct you to the download page, and then you get access to download. Please don't ignore this. A lot of people have been jumping on this thing, picking up this book for free, and I don't want you to miss out on this. So go ahead and pick it up, and if you have any question for me, just feel free to get in touch with me. I'm going to help you all the way. That's why I actually set up online marketing to make sure people make money online and I'm going to help you. I'm going to support you 24/7. So go ahead. This is something I want to make sure you guys on my YouTube channel, my subscribers, please go ahead and pick this up. It's 100% free. So thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I want to promise you're going to get value, lots and lots of values. And you can actually go to my previous videos. Just click on the subscribe button. There's a link to my YouTube channel. Click on it, then it's going to take you to my YouTube channel page. You see a lot of, click on the videos, and then you see a lot of value contents that you can actually learn a lot of. I'll be getting responses on Facebook and everywhere, and that I've been actually giving out value on YouTube. So I think I'll keep on doing that as much as I can, as much time as I have. So please go ahead. What I just want to do is just go ahead and pick up this book. It's going to help you. It's going to help you make a whole lot of money over and over and over again. Honestly, this is something you can be considering every single day. It doesn't matter any amount you have, if it is 1,000 naira or 2,000, any amount, you can just continue doing this. You are not, I don't know, there is nothing, no hard work at all. Just fund, profits, withdraw, fund, profits, withdraw, fund, profits, withdraw. You continue doing that over and over and over. If you have a Naira account, you have an ATM, and you have a BVN, you can do this. So go ahead, guys, click on the link under this video, enter your name right here, input your name right here, and then input your email right here, and click on the download button. I'm going to assure you you'll be enjoying what you get. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavilore. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button if you're a visitor to my channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping to watch this video. Okay, so I think I should give it a go right now. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.